Hi, welcome to the Greater Baton Rouge Skinny, brought to you by the Greater Baton Rouge Association of Realtors, sponsored by Assurance Financial. New residential real estate activity has been relatively slow in the first quarter of 2018, yet housing is proving its resiliency in a consistently improving economy. Some markets have had increases in signed contracts, but the vast majority of the nation continues to experience fewer closed sales and lower inventory compared to last year at this time. Despite there being fewer homes for sale, buyer demand has remained strong enough to keep prices on the rise, which should continue for the foreseeable future. Pending sales decreased 3.1% from March 2017 to 2,793 for the quarter. Closed sales decreased 11.7% from March 2017 to 2,252 for the quarter. Sales were down compared to last year, which is not surprising in a low-supply marketplace, despite high buyer demand. The number of homes for sale was up compared to this time last year. Inventory levels market-wide increased 15.7% to 3,657 units, and a continuation of this trend is in the best interest of the local market. Prices were up compared to last year at this time. The median sales price increased 9.5% to $193,900. As long as demand is high and inventory is low, 2018 will continue to see year-over-year price increases well into the summer months. Month's supply of inventory was up 17.6% to 4 months. Housing supply was up, which is a rarity on the national housing landscape and worth tracking closely for reasons why. Percent of list price received at sale rose to 97.6% since last year. The Federal Reserve raised its key short-term interest rate by 0.25% in March, citing concerns about inflation. It is the 6th rate increase by the Fed since December 2015, and at least 2 more rate increases are expected this year. Borrowing money will be more expensive, particularly for home equity loans, credit cards, and adjustable-rate mortgages, but rising wages and a low national unemployment rate that has been at 4.1% for 5 months in a row would seem to indicate that we are prepared for this. And although mortgage rates have risen to their highest point in 4 years, they have been quite low for several years. That's the Greater Baton Rouge Skinny for this quarter. Check back next quarter for the latest.